This is the Volkswagen T2 bay window bus. Why is it known as T2? Because it is Type 2, the second vehicle to be manufactured by Volkswagen, the first being the Beetle. That's the reason it's like a Beetle van with a lot of similar design elements as well. What do these vents do? They pull in air and throw it inside because there's no air conditioning, of course. Now, this is powered by a 1.6 liter engine. It's a boxer engine, same as the Beetle. White sidewall is not there because the treatment of the tires is such, those type of tires are not available anymore, and the length is around 4.5 meters, wheelbase is around 2.4 meters. This can seat 8 people in utmost comfort. And stop calling it the German kidnap van or the German Omni, because it is much more than that. It's very spacious. In fact, you can see there's so much boot space, and there is no headrest because no passenger got a head back in the day. There's the spare wheel. Where is the engine? Engine is producing just 50 horsepower, and it is an air-cooled boxer engine. Looks lovely, sounds amazing as well. But it's a very practical vehicle because once we step inside, you realize that even though it is quite old, right now it is in its 6th generation. This is the 2nd generation. The 6th generation is, I think, the Transporter. Ambient lighting has been given. Audio system has been added. The steering wheel is the size of the bus. The horn is really nice. Amazing, right? So from here, air comes in and it pushes out from right there. Meanwhile, look at the amount of space. It's insane. It also gets a fan right here. Yes, that is manual, of course, and a lot of storage space. It gets an audio system as well. Very classic. Speedometer, clock, and fuel meter. That's about it. Look at this amazing car.